In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between grid and card view in Smartsheet. View Toggle 2026. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to smartsheet.com. This is where you'll access your workspace and any sheets you're working on. Once the page loads, sign into your account. Use your usual method, whether that's your email and password, or single sign-on through your organization. If you're already signed in, Smartsheet will take you straight in. After you log in, you'll land on your home page. This area gives you quick access to your recent items, favorites, and workspaces. We want to open the sheet where you'll change the view, so let's navigate to it. If you organize your work by workspaces, click all workspaces to see everything you have access to. Pick the specific workspace that contains your sheet. Then, select the sheet you want to work in. If you keep sheets in your personal folder or in recents, you can open it from there instead. The process is exactly the same once the sheet is open. With your sheet open, look toward the top of the screen for the View picker. This control shows your current view and sits along the toolbar near the upper left or right, depending on your screen size. It might say Grid, Card, Gantt, or Calendar, depending on what was used last. Click the current view label to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, choose Grid. The sheet will immediately switch to Grid view, which is the spreadsheet-style layout most people use for list building, column editing, and quick data entry. Nothing in your sheet's data changes when you switch views, only how it's presented. Grid is great when you need to scan rows, sort and filter, update multiple cells, or compare columns side by side. That same drop-down is also where you'll find Card view. Card view organizes your rows as cards grouped into lanes, typically by a drop-down or status column. It's helpful for visual task tracking, like a Kanban board. If you ever need to toggle between grid and card, just return to the view picker and make your selection. You can switch as often as you like without affecting collaborators' data. Everyone can pick the view that suits their work. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the view you expect, make sure you're in a sheet, not a report or dashboard, and that you have the right permission level. Also, filters and sorts carry over across views, so if something looks missing, check your filter settings. That's it. You now know exactly how to switch to grid and where to find card view using the view toggle in Smartsheet.